Introducing Apple Vision Pro. The era of spatial computing is here.
The Apple Vision Pro is interesting. By now, you must have heard a lot of good and even bad things about the Apple Vision Pro. Now, regardless of any review out there, the Apple Vision Pro is an excellent example of the potential we can soon tap into in the tech world. Later in the video, we will discuss if this headset is worth your time. But for now, let's talk about the good ideas Apple worked on to get the Vision Pro. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Despite being a first-generation product, the Apple Vision Pro delivers a mind-blowing, immersive experience you just have to try for yourself. And in case you didn't know, this is the first time Apple will release a first-generation product and slap the Pro tag on it. So the potential implications of how good the next generation will be are downright scary and exciting. Right off the bat, one thing that makes the Apple Vision Pro click is the presentation. The headset is compact, and the projections you see while in the VR mode are crisp. To deliver the idea of using a VR headset that can make it look like you are not looking through a camera, Apple opted for a micro OLED display that boasts clean pixels and paired it with a 90 to 96 Hz refresh rate. The sharp-looking display is then calibrated for accurate color rendition, which greatly reduces the possibility of seeing any lag while using the headset. But that's not all. The Vision Pro does not actually render everything in high resolution all the time. The cameras in the headset work overtime to track your eye movement using a technique called faked rendering. Basically, the computer in the Vision Pro only renders the region you are actively looking at in high resolution and leaves the other areas fuzzy. It's kind of like how the human eye works. You only see where you focus on, and the other areas just sort of look glazed until you turn your focus to that area. Also, since this is a first-generation product, the potential upgrades we can see in this area for the headset will be very interesting to explore. Another idea that makes the Apple Vision Pro work is the video quality and renditions. The eye tracking speed of the camera aside, the quality of footage you see while using the Vision Pro is amazing. Sharp and accurate color rendition paired with low latency means there's no difference between looking at the real world with your normal eyes or through the headset.
It's pretty cool.
My colleague Kristen's gonna call you now, so have fun. I'll talk to you later.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Hey, Will. It's Kristen.
Hey, why does your FaceTime look different from Yuri?
I'm wearing Apple Vision Pro, just like you. This is my persona. You can see my facial expressions, my hand gestures, and it's all in real time.
Sure, the technology isn't all perfect. Like the gesture system and hand interaction can be better. The field of view is quite narrow, so it can sometimes look like you're looking through a tunnel instead of the complete immersive effect that you are inside an augmented reality of the real world. Now, the Apple Vision Pro comes with several immersive features, most of which are best suited for people already in the Apple ecosystem. Aside from the quality and security of the iPhone and other Apple gadgets, one of the best things about these products is how you can sync them to seamlessly create an ecosystem of your gadgets. The Vision Pro integrates smoothly with the ecosystem and brings two interesting features: the Mac Virtual Display and the FaceTime feature. So with your headsets, you can now FaceTime, and you can also expand your Mac display by pairing it with the headset.
To power a spatial computer like Apple Vision Pro required an innovative dual-chip design. M2 provides phenomenal performance, and a brand new chip, R1, processes sensor data at incredible speed, virtually eliminating lag. So experiences take place in real time, right in front of your eyes.
Deliver a great ball inside!
A stunning new way to use the apps we love. A powerful way to relive our memories.
The Vision Pro is not a finished technology by any means, though. The headset currently only has 600 apps specifically made for it, because adapting a tap to fit into a 3D ecosystem is quite challenging. At the moment, there's no Netflix, TikTok, YouTube, or even Spotify app on the headset. And that is strange because one of the best selling points of the Vision Pro is how it creates a superior media consumption environment. Fortunately, you can still access these apps using the browser app on the Vision Pro. There's also the see-through eye elements of the Vision Pro that can be somewhat distracting for people looking at you. and the weight distribution issue of using the default single loop band of the headset. Ultimately, how Apple will fine-tune these issues to usher in a new generation of AR and VR technology is exciting to see. Is the Vision Pro essential and worth your time?
To convincingly place content in your space took thousands of groundbreaking innovations and custom technologies, and packs 23 million into 2 panels the size of a postage stamp. That's more than a 4K TV for each eye, giving you jaw-dropping, lifelike clarity.
So the biggest reason you likely clicked on this video, aside from knowing more about the Vision Pro headsets, is to see if it is worth buying and trying out. At the moment, the Vision Pro is the best headset on the market to experience VR and AR technology. Sure, it does not have as much field of view as headsets like the Quest 3, and it's not as cheap as other VR headsets on the market. But the innovative features the Vision Pro brings cannot be overlooked, especially considering this is a first-gen product. There's also the sci-fi appeal of using a device that seamlessly uses 3D projections to change your environment. As in, among other features, you could literally use the Vision Pro to see areas you have not cleaned while using a vacuum pump just by gamifying the task. That is ridiculous, and with the track record Apple has for significantly improving the experience and capabilities of new products, yes, the Vision Pro is well worth your time. There you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Until the next one, bye-bye.
So much. Toast.